This is the Crenova nose and facial trimmer. It's electric. So basically what you do is, to get started, you want to plug this in, and then you're going to charge it with a USB port somewhere, like in your wall, in your computer, somewhere that you charge. So once you charge it, it looks like this. There's an on button, off button right here, and then you're going to pull this lid off, and it looks like this when you receive it. And it's actually the nose hair part. I was a little confused at first how to get it off, but you'll see like this little indicator down here. I'm not sure you can see that. And you just twist it and it pops off. So that's the nose trimmer. This is like the eyebrow trimmer, and if you can see that, it has two different levels of thickness. So a thinner eyebrow, thicker eyebrow. And what you can do is pop that on here, and again, you just stick it on there, twist it till the two dots line up. It snaps on there, and you turn that on. It's got a lot of power. Twist it off. You've got a cleaner for any of your stuff. This is for a beard. Same thing. Stick it on there, line the dots up. And then you also have your sideburn trimmer, and it just pops on there. And again, you just turn it on and you let it go to work. I'll show you in the rest of the video.